G'day team, Tony here with Wildtrak Leisure Australia, and today we're going to be talking about a brand new product in the Wildtrak lighting range, the Base 300 Multi Light. Now first off, let's have a look at the key features, starting with the lighting modes. This has 3 levels of intensity for white, including 3%, 50% and 100% intensity. It has a double flashing red for emergencies, and this is my favourite, the orange one. This is a mosquito repellent. It's really handy around the campsite. But the team at Wildtrak have thought of everything. They've even got a flashlight. Now this durable little camp light is IP65 rated for water resistance, so if you do leave it out in the rain, it's not going to get damaged. But it does have 2 USB outlets to charge your phone or other USB devices. Now what sets this light apart from the rest? Well, this is one of my favourite features. This is the heavy duty magnetic mounting system. So it doesn't matter if you're trying to get a little bit of extra light under the bonnet if you're working on the car, trying to get some light over the camp kitchen, or even replace the fixed lights on your vehicle, these have you absolutely covered. Now I've been test driving these for Wildtrak for a couple of months now, and they've effectively replaced all the other portable lights that I've been using in the past because they're that versatile. Now during my road testing, I found that 3 was the perfect number for the campsite. 1 under the awning, 1 over the camp kitchen, and 1 up in the rooftop tent. Now when it comes to packing away, we've also included this soft case. This protects the lens of the light, but it also means that you can keep charging it whilst you're on the go. Now I'll tell you what, it's been a while since I've seen a product this good, so this one's going straight at the back of the car. Now for these and other great Wildtrak products, make sure you zip down to your local stockist or wildtrak.com.au.